In part 1, we laid out the subframe in the exact position we wanted it to reside with the brackets attached, and we are ready to mark and drill the truck's frame rails to create attaching points. Let's get started. It is important to note that the side brackets, whether installing as a 3-point or 4-point system, must be mounted directly across from one another. Use a pencil or length of masking tape to mark the sides of the brackets to ensure their position is well noted. Then use shoring material as necessary to center the side brackets on the upper frame. If mounting the subframe to a vehicle such as a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Unimog, etc., the subframe will need to be leveled with the truck's frame. Now that the brackets have been located on the frame, it is time to mark and drill the holes in the truck frame. The best way to do this is to use a center punch that is correctly sized to the holes already fabricated into the mounting brackets. For added precision, mark any 2 holes onto the frame from each bracket, then remove the bracket. Move the subframe a few feet towards the rear of the truck to provide ample space to drill the holes. And drill the 2 marks starting with a smaller drill bit. Step up the sizes of the drill bits until the desired size hole in the truck frame is reached. Use a cup of oil and small utility brush to lubricate the end of the drill bit to prevent overheating of the bit. Depending on the placement of your side brackets, you may need to remove the battery from the truck for ease of access. Once any 2 holes have been drilled into the frame for each bracket, bolt up the bracket and mark the remaining bracket holes onto the frame with the center punch. Then, remove the bracket and complete the drilling for the remaining bracket holes. After you have finished drilling all the holes for the side brackets, install the hardware as shown in the provided documentation. Reinstall the side-mounted brackets and swivel them to one side.